A 2-minute AI tool just made a $5,000 photography agency completely useless. Here are the numbers that matter in 2026. There are 9.7 million Amazon sellers, 4.4 million on Shopify, and 7.5 million Etsy sellers. Every single one of them needs product images. And if those product images are complete trash, nobody is buying. Studies show that over 90% of online purchases are driven by visuals alone. If you go on food delivery apps like DoorDash and a restaurant's food items look like an absolute hot mess, you're not going to order from that restaurant. It doesn't matter how great the description is. This applies to Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, or anything in e-commerce. And right now, most sellers are stuck. They're either paying agencies hundreds to thousands of dollars and waiting weeks for their product, or they're selling their products with low res and low quality images. They're losing sales every single day. They're hemorrhaging money. A platform just launched called Selluna.ai. It was specifically made for agencies managing multiple clients and e-commerce sellers alike. You paste the URL, you pick a platform, and in minutes, you get studio quality images that are platform compliant, ready to upload. No photographer, no designer, no Photoshop. And believe it or not, Selluna.ai is 20 to 30 times cheaper than traditional photography services. Let me show you exactly how it works. You come to Selluna.ai. You're going to see a bunch of options here. Click on this box where it says import a product. You're going to add a product from Amazon or any website that you have, or you can enter it manually. So we're going to click here. Now it's going to ask us to input some information. These are the supported platforms. There's also a bunch of other supported platforms, but these are the main ones. We can either import by URL, or we can create it manually by entering our brand, our product title, our product description, images, and we have a bunch of other options that we can choose here. But for this tutorial, we're going to do it from the URL. Okay, let's create some images. We're grabbing a link from Amazon. And let's bring it back to Selluna.ai to create some hyper-realistic, compliant images that cost around $2 to $3 a piece. Language is English. We can adjust other settings if you want here. But for now, we're going to leave it how it is. We're going to import the product into the website. Now, as this is loading, just so you know, Selluna.ai, whenever you pick your platform like Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, Meta Ads, whatever you need, it already knows the exact specs and compliance requirements for each one. So if you've ever posted on any of these platforms, you know that they're extremely strict when it comes to their content and their visuals. Perfect. So it grabbed all of the information from the website listing here, and it already added it into the box. So we can either click generate, or we can click on product brain. And this is one of the coolest features that Selluna.ai has. Let me show you exactly what this means. So Selluna has a built-in AI that actually learns your products over time. So let's say you're selling this ice cream machine and you want AI to understand what the formula looks like, what the key ingredients are, what makes it special. All you do is feed that information into the product brain right here. And from that point forward, every single image it generates for that product reflects the knowledge. It gets smarter the more that you use it. It even gets the dimensions and scale inputs right as well, which is what sets this apart from other similar tools. It's going to show us a bunch of different options here. We're going to pick our platform. There's ads, there's Amazon, there's Shopify, all of these, Etsy, Walmart, Temu, Wayfair, you name it, Selluna AI has it. Product images, influencer product images. We have the social media starter, Amazon SEO. There's main images for Amazon. There's UGC style images, which, by the way, these are on fire on TikTok right now. There's Meta Ads. There's the images starter for Meta Ads, and there's premium A+ content. So let's say we're doing Amazon and we want to do Amazon product images. Cool. And by the way, did I mention that Selluna.ai has a free 7-day trial where you can try their service? If you don't like it, you don't pay. Absolutely free. Click on the link in the description right now to join. Right. It's generating these pictures in real time, and these are 100% original, and they are 100% Amazon compliant. Check this out, guys. Look how perfect. It even gave us a step-by-step how this machine works. Put it in the freezer, process it, and enjoy. Look at the text. Everything is spelled right. The text is beautiful, bright. The pictures are extremely engaging, and it gave us a whole bunch of them that are already Amazon compliant. And here's one thing that's going to save you a ton of time when you're working with multiple clients. There's bulk generation. Instead of doing one product at a time here, You can generate hundreds and hundreds of products from multiple brands at once. Then you hit bulk export up here and everything downloads in one shot, ready to upload. And if you're a multitasker like I am, as you're generating images, you can actually generate other images as well for different sites. Let's go ahead and do some social media images right now. Let's click on social media, then scroll down to social media starter kit, and then let's generate with the basic model. You can do this over and over again, generating as many pictures as you want in one shot. Check this out. We've generated our fully compliant Amazon products. Then let's go back to our generation list, choose social media starter kit that's already generated with Selluna.ai. Let's choose that and let's scroll through the pictures that it made. There's one more thing I want to show you here. It's called spot editing. So let's say a client loves this image, but they want a different background or the lighting needs to change. You don't have to regenerate the entire image like you do in other programs. You just edit that one element and everything else stays exactly the same. This is huge for revision rounds because anybody who's done client work knows that revisions can eat your entire day. So all you do is come up to edit image. We're going to select just this image. And then we're going to describe what we want changed. Let's say, change the background of the image to a beautiful, modern, sleek, wooden log cabin interior kitchen. Now, let's add a reference image of exactly what we want. Let's add this wooden log cabin kitchen, and then we're going to click regenerate. Now you have a completely new image without regenerating the whole thing and wasting credits. Here's another powerful feature about Selluna.ai that you need to know. Selluna AI lets you upload any competitor image, any competitor link, any visual or creative that's currently making their competitor a lot of money, and it lets you remix them and mimic their style. It creates the exact same layout, the same vibe as your competitor's product, only better. 100% original output, zero copyright. Not only that, but Selluna.ai is 1,000 times faster than traditional designers. Super, super easy to use. You select your product, you can enter it manually or enter the link of your competitor. You select the workflow, you click generate, download it, and it's done. If you're an Amazon seller, an Etsy seller, a Shopify seller, or an agency managing product images for multiple brands, Selluna is definitely worth trying. Click the link in the description right now to start your free 7-day trial. If you don't like it, you don't pay. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI tools, trends, and news, be sure to join my free newsletter, which shows you step by step how to take advantage of AI and how to make money with it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys. Hope the video was helpful. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.